One of the best ways to experience the unbridled power of an immersive film is to watch it with a home theater projector. While many of today's consumer-grade TVs are fantastic at replicating the kinds of images that a film's director would want you to see, there's a special kind of brilliance that only a projector can deliver. However, due to space constraints, most people will choose the best TV over a projector. Traditionally, projectors require a reasonable amount of throw distance in order to produce the largest image possible. However, this is no longer an issue because consumer-friendly, ultra-short throw projectors are now widely available.
Thank goodness for that. Do hear that, my dear.
The best short throw projectors are designed to be placed only a few feet or inches away from the wall you're projecting onto. Even if you have a small apartment or room, a short throw projector can provide an immersive experience in a quick and inexpensive manner. Gone are the days of having to hang a projector from the ceiling or find a spot in the back of the room. With the best short throw projectors from Samsung, Epson, Optoma, BenQ, and others, you can place a projector within a couple of inches of the wall you want to project onto and be ready to go. Here are a few different things we considered when picking out the best short throw projectors: picture quality, screen size options, user friendliness, brightness, and just all-round awesomeness. If this sounds like music to your ears, keep watching for our list of the best ultra short throw projectors. So here's the thing, if you like this video, consider subscribing and leaving a like, as it really helps us produce more valuable content like this.
Don't even think about it, just do it.
First on our list is the Formovie Theater. The $3,000 Formovie Theater projector has features and image quality that are not found in any other USD projector in this price range. It has a triple laser engine and Dolby Vision, which results in a bright image with high contrast and accurate colors. If you're not happy with a picture right out of the box, there are plenty of controls to adjust and calibrate it. When you're not watching movies, it's also a great projector to use for sports and regular TV with some daylight streaming in. And the audio capabilities are a big plus, allowing you to have a very simple setup if you don't want to spend money on a 5.1 surround sound system. The main drawbacks are the lack of Netflix compatibility and a slightly noisy fan. Best of all, the price for a USD projector is on the low end, and spending an extra couple of $1,000s doesn't get you much more. In fact, the Formovie Theater is the only USD projector option that supports Dolby Vision. Next up, Samsung, the Premier LSP90. Samsung's short throw projector has an impressive set of specifications that ensure a high-end home theater experience while also saving a lot of space. This includes a 2,200 lumen bulb to ensure image visibility even in bright rooms, 4K resolution, had a 120-inch image size, and Samsung's own Tizen smart TV platform for app browsing and more. This ultra short throw projector also includes 30-watt speakers, and while projector speakers aren't generally that impressive, we recommend investing in a full sound system. These, along with a built-in subwoofer, outperform traditional TV speakers. It's also a smart projector that supports Alexa, Google Assistant, and Samsung's own Bixby voice assistant, so you don't have to get up to turn it on or search for a show with simple voice commands. Samsung's model, like many short throw projectors, is also fairly portable if you want to move it to different locations and does not require the same type of calibration each time that other types of projectors may require. Although the price may deter some buyers, it is a complete package. Third on our list is the Hisense PX1 Pro. The Hisense PX1 Pro is an ultra-short throw smart projector that has a brightness rating of 2,200 ANSI lumens and retails for $3,999 at the manufacturer's suggested retail price. It is equipped with a tricolor RGB laser. The PX1 Pro excels in color, and it has a trichroma laser light engine like the Hisense L9G. Therefore, it can reproduce 107% of the BT 2020 color space, delivering more color accuracy, depth, and brilliance than single laser and lamplight engines. OLED TVs can't display this much BT 2020 color gamut. Digital Lens Focus offers ultra-fine focus settings via menu controls for razor-sharp images from 90 to 130 inches. Hisense's PX1 Pro employs the same Android TV smart platform as its latest flat-panel TVs. Menus and Android TV are smoothly integrated, delivering a pleasant user experience. In the front of the PX1 Pro cabinet is a 30-watt Dolby Atmos sound system that produces amazing sound quality and more bass than it should be able to reasonably produce for such a physically small ultra-short throw projector. This is because the PX1 Pro cabinet is physically smaller than other ultra-short throw projectors on the market. The Hisense PX1 Pro's great color reproduction, smart features, cheap maintenance, and loud sound make it a top ultra-short throw RGB laser projector for 2022. We definitely suggest this projector. Next up, the BenQ V7050i. The BenQ V7050i is recommended because its image is sharper, more detailed, and more colorful than comparable ultra-short throw projectors in its price range. It includes HDR Pro TN for improved image quality and shadow detail when viewing HDR content. The cinematic color TN technology used by the BenQ V7050i covers 98% of the DCI-P3 color space. The 2,500 ANSI-lumen rating of the BenQ V7050i was exceeded. The V7050i's brightness is aided by BenQ's HDR Pro and cinematic color technologies. DSP-IC is used in BenQ's 5-watt virtual surround stereo system. Max Audio TM tweaks the V7050i speakers and psychoacoustics for improved 3D surround sound, more detailed highs, and stronger vocals. The V7050i exceeded our expectations for HD and 4K SDR. This BenQ projector has been pre-calibrated and is therefore ready to use. The HDR performance of this projector outperformed that of many DLP projectors we tested. Overall, this was a well-built projector with excellent image and sound quality, so we recommend the BenQ 7050i Laser TV. And finally on our list, we have the Epson EpiqVision Ultra LS800. The Epson LS800, Epson's latest entry into the USD projector market, was released after this year's USD competition, but initial reviews are positive, and the Epson has some unique features to offer. I spent some time with this projector and found a lot to like about it. First and foremost, it has one of the highest brightness ratings of any USD, with 4,000 ANSI lumens for both color and white brightness. This makes it an excellent choice for bright living rooms and provides enough peak luminance for 4K or HDR content. It also has a low input lag of approximately 20 milliseconds and excellent motion resolution, making it an excellent choice for gamers. And David Stone of PC Mag recently reviewed the LS800 and rated it excellent overall, praising its brightness, color accuracy, and low input lag. He also praised the unit's audio quality, which he attributed to Epson's exclusive partnership with Yamaha. The projector can even function as a Bluetooth speaker for when you just want to listen to music without being distracted by a large screen. The LS800 has one of the shortest throw requirements of any USD projector, capable of producing a 150-inch diagonal image from as little as 12 inches away from the wall. Epson's LS800 USD projector is available in black or white and includes a sound system designed in collaboration with Yamaha.
It's truly awesome.
The Epson LS800's only drawbacks are the lack of 3D support and the fact that its version of pixel shifting does not capture full 4K detail. It does support 4K UHD input sources and renders them twice as high as 1080p, but only half the resolution of true 4K. The superior brightness and contrast ratio of the Epson projector will more than compensate for the lower resolution on most content, but we want to make sure our viewers understand what they're getting. While we know that there may be quite a large number of other great short throw and ultra short throw projectors out there, we feel that our list kinda narrows it down to the cream of the crop. Massive screens for either small spaces, game and cinema rooms, or if you just want to show off in your living room.
Come, subscribe.
And hey, thank you for watching.